Hi, I am Ernest Kiong Connor Silat of Grade 3 Feliciano Cabuco. Today, I'm going to do a cool experiment about air pressure. I will do glass with the power of full. For this experiment, we will need a tray, paper towel, 3 glasses, some water, and a lighter. To start with, I will place the paper towel on the top of the tray and pour some water on it. Put the candle and light it up. Be careful in doing this. Ask help from the adults at home. Cover the lighted candle with the glass. Observe that the burning candle uses up all the available oxygen in the glass, and once it consumes all the available oxygen, the flame extinguishes the hot air, now cools down and starts contracting and tries to pull the wet napkin, which creates a suction and the glass stuck with the tray. The outside air pressure is more and there is a vacuum in the glass, so the glass can lift the tray. The force is so strong that even if we put more weight on the glass, was able to lift all up.